Oh my goodness. What the hell? Seriously, what are you doing here? Oh, scared me. Well, this is a little unusual. You're not supposed to see this. Well, we'll look down here once. Yeah, you see the box? It's kind of being emptied here. So this is a little bit different day for me. Not my usual routine. Sorry about all the clashing and noise. But as you can see here, I'm not exactly just working on a car. So today is going to be a little bit different of a day for me. So I'm going to be moving some tools around. A little bit of a vlog day, I guess you could call it. I think that's what they call it these days. It's a vlog. I don't know. Where you just give your daily what the hell you're doing today. But, you know, is what it is. Anyway, so, see, I always have a mess up here. I get it. But that's kind of because I'm short on storage. And, I have plenty of places to put things, but I'm short on room to put the big stuff so I can actually organize the little stuff. And I decided to solve that problem. So, it's hard to swallow because it's called Snap-on. Yeah, that guy. He came out yesterday, I believe. Yeah, it was yesterday. And I made the mistake of walking onto his truck. Now, I don't know if you know, but walking on a Snap-on truck is like just instant rape. I mean, you get raped. You feel like you've gotten raped at least. And it's a bad idea to walk on a Snap-on truck because the shiny objects draw your attention. And then you don't realize the price tag that they claim until you've already been stupid enough to accept it. Like when you buy a toolbox. Don't tell my wife, but I kind of did a little toolbox deal. He had a toolbox like this guy here, kind of, with the black and the red trim, which I find to be very, very nice, right? And he kind of offered me a deal I can't really pass up. So I have this box here, right? Yeah, I mean, you've all seen that. You've all seen my blue box on the other side there. And these toolboxes, I have this many. I mean, I have a cart too, and I have all these boxes because this is my first year full-time as sole proprietor, or doing this on my own as my own business. And I started this YouTube channel as well. But I am very, very cramped for space because what happened was I bought this box and I got a hell of a deal on this box, considering it's a Snap-on box. I mean, I still got raped, but regardless, this box here, I think I paid $1,700 for it, I believe, and at the time it was a $2,900 box. If I remember correctly, I think that's what it was. But it was one of those deals where they had all the promotional deals going, and I took advantage of every little bit of a promotion I could, including their truck account, or not truck account, but their payment plan account deal. So they have a lot of promotions that they run where they'll offer you so much off the box if you sign up for the one that they charge you interest on, right? Because they're hoping that the interest is going to pay for the box. So they offer those deals, and you get a better deal on the box. And then if you do it during a deal where they get this at a tool show or something, they can give you a little discount on top of it because they buy X quantity, so on and so forth. So I ended up getting this for really, really cheap. And because I did all the incentives I could, including that credit account thing, well, now we have that box and this box, because this box was purchased due to the fact that I was working full-time as a tech at a shop and running this business part-time from home. So I ended up with 3 boxes, basically, is the gist of the story there. And now I need to transfer all the tools out of this box into that box that I am going to keep. The tools that I am not going to keep are going to be staying with this box. The Snap-on guy worked with me. He gave me $100 for the aluminum plate that I have for a top here. He's I'm keeping the vise though, because obviously you can't get a vise like this anymore. This thing is nice, but well, I mean you could, but they cost a fortune. But that's a nice vise, so I'm keeping the vise. All my tools that I don't want are going in here. He's going to sell the tools that I don't want, give me a portion of what he sells them for when he gets it. But basically, he gave me more than I paid for it for this box, because he doesn't know what I paid for this box, is what it comes down to. And then he's going off of what it's worth. And then the other box over there that I have, what I paid for it back then, he's giving me almost what I paid for it when I bought it. And essentially, I'm getting a bigger box than the one over there. It's got an additional bank worth of storage. And I'm removing the top hutch. And I'm removing this box. So this whole section here is going, and I'm replacing it with a box this color, like the other one, but wider. So it's going to come to the window here from that side, and this is going to be the place where my box is. It's also taller, so it's like, I don't know about that. It's a box that's big enough that I'll be able to fit all my tools that are on this side of the shop in that box, and then I'll have all the space that I need over on that side of the shop. So right now, this place is just loaded with garbage. I mean, I have stuff everywhere because I got too many projects going on. This is for the engine build. I was recently jump starting cars, more engine build stuff, tools laying everywhere. I've just been going crazy. So that's what I'm going to do today. We're just going to blast through it. And as soon as I get all these tools worked out, I'll be back with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and do this quick. Enjoy the music and the really fast-paced tool move. Was quite the process. I finally got the toolbox moved. Obviously, I skipped a lot of the transferring over part of the process because it just took me all day yesterday. So I started this yesterday as far as the swapping toolbox stuff on these two boxes. I had to take the box, all the tools from this box, and transfer them into the new box, and that took all day yesterday, and it took all morning today. It's actually afternoon now, just a little bit afternoon, and I finally got this box over here to where I'm ready to go back to this box over here, where I will finish getting all this stuff put away that I just shoved up here real quick because I had no full idea as to where I'm going to put it, and I just wanted to get that box out of here. And then I have to take that corner there and start doing some organizing. So I will finish that up, and we'll end this video with a tour of the final, how it looks afterwards. But I have a substantial amount of room now. Much, much better. Once I get this all organized, this will be a huge upgrade for me. And if you guys like these little blog videos like this, blog, whatever they're called, be sure to hit that like button, like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment what you think maybe I could do in this office area to improve it, aside from clean up the obvious clutter. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up with a final vision of what the, basically a tour of the garage after this box has been replaced and done. There you have it. What a technician goes through when he has to get a new box. I don't know what I could call this video, but basically
how much work does a person have to do? I have 4 full days. By the time I'm done with this, I will have at least 4 full days invested in doing this process.